Hello, welcome everyone. This video I'm going to show you here how to send it to back in Figma. Okay, so send it to back. Maybe I think that is about to undo things or undo progress your project in Figma. So really, what you're gonna do is about to follow this video. If I didn't think that is really about to send to back is to be on plugin or anything in this moment, that is ready to be about that. Is really about to be satisfied on that. And this gonna be about to help you guys to understand how this actually to be done on this moment. It's really to be about to be satisfied on this progress. As you can see, there's gonna be actually start to have a progress over here sent to back. So then, as you can see, we can send it to back. You can actually see over here, click on file, okay here, and click on undo. And that's all about how you do it. That's all about help you